Hi, this is Priyanka Chopra and you're watching Miss Malini's World only on TLC. More than for me, I think selfishly, of course, I've put in 2 years of my life in this movie and a lot of hard work. But I think when a female movie makes money, usually it takes 1 month, 2 months for us to reach the numbers that Mary Kom has reached in a week. I think it's great. It's a big step towards empowering female in films, actresses in films, and giving us the darja that I think we deserve as artists. I think the one thing that really contributed to the success of the film was the content, the way I think the first poster itself caused a big stir. Everybody was very skeptical of the film before the first poster came out. Whether I don't look like Mary, whether I'll be able to pull it off, what it'll be, will it be filmy, will it be like a heroine wearing gloves, what would it be? And to me, I think making it very real was very important in terms of the way I look and I present myself. I think that also had a lot to do with it, that the fact that this didn't just look like just a girl wearing gloves and actually knowing what I'm doing. I think I was just thinking that I better flex my muscles really hard and make sure that my posture looked really right. Because, the bag in front of me, and I wanted it to look really authentic, and I was just thinking about all that. I think at that point it was very important that, my body looked like a boxer, and I had to change my entire body type because I'm very petite. So I think I was just very conscious that I hope that, I don't look like the glamorous me that I usually look like. For me, see, the last time I worked with Sanjay sir was Ram Leela, okay? And which was this ultra glamorous, svelte, soft, seductive, pretty girl. And cut to, I'm playing a boxer. So in a way, I was floating like a butterfly and singing like a bee for the same producer. So first of all, thank you, Miss Malini. Now finally, now that you've done this and you've taken the boys who are totally getting out of shape into the gym and had Darshan give you a lowdown on what happens with boxing. First of all, at least now the boys know how I felt. You did it just for a few hours, I did it for 6 months. And that's just the training. I wasn't even talking about the shooting. So it's been, now you know how I feel. And second of all, full girl power to you, Malini. You kick Naushad's ass. I love it. Not that I don't like you, Naushad, but just it's like a girl power thing. No offense. Hi, it's Rupali. First of all, I started this film at a very, very difficult time in my life. I started shooting it 4 days after my dad passed away, and I was people don't know my father, so you wouldn't know, but he was a very towering personality and somebody that I really, really looked up to. He was my superhero, So my world just crashed when he passed away, and I think I diverted all my grief into this movie, in a way. So when I was punishing my body, it was almost like, I don't know, in a strange, dark, twisted way, I was dealing with my grief on some level. So my focus was laser sharp. I think somewhere my dad was looking out for me, which is why this film has done what it has. I dedicated the film to my dad. If you watch the movie, in the beginning you'll see a picture of my father, which Sanjay sir put up. Actually, it was a surprise for me. I didn't even know he was going to do it. He just asked my mom, my office actually, to send a photo of my father, and then just a few days before the first copy was out, he asked me to write a note, a message for him, and it meant so much to me, I mean, I'm just an actor that's hired by a producer. He's not related to me or my dad. He didn't need to do it, and it meant a lot, that he did that. So this film, I think, it was not the training and all of that didn't matter. It was just pulling off a film which was, from the beginning of its conception, people were saying, "Ye kya hoga? This is not going to work out." A girl boxer in a country like India, who is interested? I heard so much of that, and I think the determination to prove people wrong and be ziddi about it is what made me go forward. Hi, Superman 93. I think the first thing that I do is check my phone. I drink water and I check my phone. I go onto Twitter, I read my messages, I just read what's happening in the world, have my coffee in bed for about 20 minutes, read the newspapers, and that's how my day starts. Not yet. But yes, a few films have been offered to me and a few of them are biopics. But it's just that I'm doing 3 films right now. I'm finishing Dil Dhadakne Do and I'm starting Madam G and Bajirao like in 10 days. So I'm really packed with what to choose. So I'm reading a few things. I have a few interesting things up my sleeve for next year. But yeah, let's, I don't know, not yet. And if there's an announcement to be made, I will talk about it. I had a diet and strict regime only while I was doing this film. Otherwise, I only eat comfort food. And comfort food is carbs, man. Pizza, which is what I eat right now. Rice. I love rice. You know, ironical, this is for Team Malini and you should know it. Even I was shocked when I heard it. When I told Mary, I told her, you know, I'm on a diet and just to, I was trying to impress her actually. Then I was really working hard on her character and I said, you know, I'm on this diet and I'm only eating proteins and you know how, like how boys do and all, you know, having like protein shakes and really macho about the whole thing. And she said, but why? So I said, to get the shape that you do. She was like, please. I just go to the gym when I have to, every day when I'm training. Otherwise, I can't live without my rice. And rice is amazing to eat. And I was a little shocked. She said, have Manipuri rice and it'll change your life. And she sent me a sack full of Manipuri rice, which is that instead of brown rice, it's white, but it's thick. It's that fat with a lot of starch and qualities in it. So I started having that rice and it's amazing. So I think comfort food is what you should eat. Just go to the gym a little bit more.
Do you like cupcakes?
I do love cupcakes actually. Really? How did you know I love cupcakes? I love
You've been working too hard.
I have. Thank you for appreciating it, Team Mealman. Nobody appreciates how much I work. Oh, that's amazing. I'm so excited. Thank you.